Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see the making of terracotta choker set with Kundan stonework. First, make a slab of even thickness. Now I'm going to use the drop shape cutter. In one slab, I can take around 10 beads. Now just remove the extra clay and make sure that the shape of the bead doesn't change. In my previous videos, I got a comment regarding how to avoid flipping of beads in making chokers. So here is the answer for that. When you make a bead hole for chokers, don't make the hole in the middle. See, in this bead I am making a hole at the top. It's very close to top, so that the chances of flipping is less. In case of smaller beads, you can go for this method. If your bead is longer, then go for a double gear method, which I have explained in my previous peacock choker video. I'll give the link in the description, you can check it. And one more thing, when we attach a hanging bead at the bottom, the chances of flipping will be less due to the weight. So this is the earring for this choker. All the beads and earrings are ready to dry. Let it dry for 3 to 4 days, then we can bake it. For baking, I have made a separate video. I'll give the link in the description. You can check it. So for painting this choker, I have chosen antique bronze and blue. Let this dry for minimum 1 day and then go for assembling. For assembling, I've made a separate video. I'll give the link in the description, you can check it. So finally, this is how it looks. Hope you all like the design. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. Visit my Instagram and Facebook page for more collection. Thanks for watching.